ready? So what are we going to do today?
Today we're going to make lava with
Lava lamp?
lava lamp with water, baby lamp, baking soda, oil, glass, and colors, and shiny colors.
Yes, and what colors do you have now?
We have red, orange, pink, red, green, purple, blue, yellow, and gold.
And which one is your favorite color? Pink? So which color are we going to select today for this experiment? Pink? Okay, great.
I'll open it.
Yeah, open it and add some colors in the water.
Some more?
Some more, yeah. Count the drop. How many drops you are adding? Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There.
So now, mix it.
I'm mixing. Well, look at the color. It's turning red. So satisfying.
Alright, now
It
next.
looks like jelly. This? I'll mix it. Like mix it for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Good.
Alright. Okay, now add baking soda into the glass.
Okay.
And add 5 spoons. All of it, yeah.
1, 2, 3,
Don't spill.
4, one more, and 5.
And you're going to add a little bit more.
Yes, one more scoop.
One more scoop.
And what a huge scoop. There.
Good.
Okay, you can put that there.
Shake so it is evenly distributed. Alright. Next, we'll be adding
Oil?
oil. Yes.
I knew it.
You knew it? Okay. Good. So I will add oil at the beginning and then you will add. Oh, let's do the bigger thing.
Wow. And so time for the bubbles. The cover. Look, the bubbles. Look at the bubbles.
Do you want to add?
Hmm?
Do you want to add?
Yeah.
Okay, add it.
Oh, the water?
No, keep adding.
Yes.
Yep. All the way.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Keep going.
And when it's to the top,
Yeah, keep going.
we're showing yellow.
It is yellow, right?
Because this is yellow. I'm going to stop.
Okay, you can stop now. Okay, let's turn the light on. So, this way.
Okay, this. Here it is.
And then.
Whoa, so
Are you ready? Are you ready, one?
Look, bubbles up.
Okay, Mon. So now you can add it. Okay?
Whenever.
Yes, you can just add it. Yeah. Alright.
I broke a little bit over here. That's okay.
Do you see the button?
Painting. Orange, red, yellow, blue colors. Color red, fun. Color, color, color. Wow. so cute. Now we can see much better. Now we can see much better. Can we have to stop? Wow, now it's turning. Look how it is. So cute. We need to glow. Look how pretty it is. Bubbles. Red. Very good. Wow, now it's turning. Look how it is. We need to glow. Look how pretty it is. Wow! Can I? Whoa! Wait, I don't like color like yellow. Next set. It's turning darker. Look, bubble, 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 bubble. Papa, can you do that one more drop from this? Just one more. Look how funny. Look how funny. Look how funny, everyone. It's very cool. Like, comment, and